Error 0xc0007b in Terraria is a common Windows application error that prevents the game from starting. It typically means there's an invalid image format, usually caused by mismatches between 32-bit and 64-bit system components or missing software dependencies. Although Terraria is a 32-bit application, issues arise when it interacts with your 64-bit Windows system. Don't worry, it's fixable and will guide you through the solutions. Error 0xc000007b in Terraria usually arises from a few key reasons. Firstly, architecture mismatches. Terraria is a 32-bit game, and conflicts can occur with 64-bit Windows systems. Secondly, missing dependencies. Essential components like Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, DirectX, and the .NET framework might be missing or corrupted. Lastly, system conflicts involving antivirus software or outdated drivers can also trigger the error. Identifying the cause is the first step to fixing it. Frequent fix for Terraria's error 0xc000007b involves reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Since Terraria relies on these components for proper execution, ensuring they're correctly installed is crucial. Go to Microsoft's official website to download the Visual C++ redistributables. You'll need versions 2010, 2013, and 2015 to 2022. Install both the x86, which is 32-bit, and x64, which is 64-bit versions. Do this even if you have a 64-bit system, as Terraria requires both for compatibility. After installation, restart your computer. Then try running Terraria again to see if the error is resolved. DirectX is another essential component for running games on Windows. It handles graphics, audio, and input processing, and outdated or missing components can cause the 0xc0007b error. To update DirectX, follow these steps. First, visit Microsoft's official website to download the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. This tool will scan your system and update any missing or outdated DirectX components. Run the installer to identify and update the components, then complete the installation. You'll see a screen confirming the installation is complete. After installation, restart your computer to apply the changes. Finally, launch Terraria to check if the error has been resolved. Sometimes, running Terraria with administrative privileges can resolve the error by granting necessary system access. To run temporarily, right-click on the terraria.exe file in your game folder and select Run as Administrator. If this resolves the issue, you can make it permanent by right-clicking terraria.exe, selecting Properties, going to the Compatibility tab, and checking Run this program as an administrator. Additionally, experiment with compatibility mode. In the same Properties window, check Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and try selecting Windows 7 or Windows 8. This can bypass certain system compatibility issues. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can also cause error 0xc0007b in Terraria. To fix this, visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Common manufacturers include NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Make sure to select the driver that matches your specific graphics card model and operating system. After downloading, install the drivers and restart your computer to ensure Terraria uses the latest compatible drivers. Antivirus software can sometimes interfere with Terraria by quarantining necessary DLL files, mistaking them for threats. First, open your antivirus software and check its Quarantine or History section to see if any Terraria-related files have been blocked. If you find blocked files, restore them from quarantine. Then add Terraria's installation folder to your antivirus exception list to prevent future interference. Antivirus programs, including Windows Defender, may sometimes flag legitimate Terraria files as threats, leading to the error. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications that might be conflicting with Terraria using the Task Manager. To summarize, error 0xc0007b in Terraria can be fixed by reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables, updating DirectX, running the game as administrator, updating graphics drivers, and checking for antivirus conflicts. While this error is less prevalent now due to better Windows compatibility, staying proactive with system maintenance, like regular SFC scans, can help prevent future issues. If Terraria gets a future update or remaster, this error might become obsolete. But for now, these solutions should keep you playing.